go send it for trendy. Bank account can't empty. Acres over markets. Link me wife when me want sex. Cause when side y'all read up, try to vote that lead up. Farming over plastic, investment over profit.
Goodbye, Kingston. I'm so sad. I can't even have the Vaughn house. But babe better make it up to me since I can't have the Vaughn house.
What?
I said I'm telling the people them since I can't have the Vaughn house, you better make it up to me.
Yeah, make it up, guys.
And don't send me some bootleg parlor in ice cream parlor in Mobile.
No, that's not around the corner.
Guys, look at the ship. I think it's a cargo ship. We're passing Horizon now, aren't we?
Horizon, what map says? I don't know. Process.
Then take a slight right turn onto LULU Street.
You know what? Siri doesn't want us to go home. She wants us to go to Vaughn house. What the fuck? That is the process, everybody.
Fuck up, Siri.
This is us for the whole day. We ain't going home.
In 2.1 kilometers, turn right onto Port Royal Street.
Shut the fuck up. I think these are barrel ships, babe, aren't they? Barack? I don't know, but I call them barrel ships because I know there's a wharf down here. I mean, how else does my barrels come here? Fly? This is the coast of downtown. There's a lot of banks. There's Stephen Scotia Bank over there. So if you have problems, make sure you hit them up. Right here is look like it's head office. Bank of Jamaica over there. I have never heard of Bank of Jamaica before, but
Jackeries.
huh?
Jackeries.
Why is it coming so close by you though? Well, who has a faster car? Guys, I'm from Toronto, so when I look down here reminds me of the entertainment district. I swear, like you might have a nightclub here. Oh look, KFC, place that didn't even let us in. Yeah.
At least not look as fussy as ours. But thumbs up.
In Mobile?
Yeah.
Mobile, you get cold chicken.
Yeah, no. Then you think you like a cold chicken as a talk. When they close it, then I turn on the stove for cooking up pot again.
Exactly.
And I'm going here to
Don't kill me, babe. When I say Tiffin, did you sell? Yes. With the little they told me I couldn't get my old phone number back, but they allowed me to put a $25 Canadian plan on there, free social, free everything. What, maybe 8 gigabytes of data. All now I can't even get my phone number back from them. That's Tiffin Digicel. What they did with part of my money, they built themselves a head office for friggin' people. What do you have to say about Digicel, babe? Nothing. They're treating you well right now, aren't they?
The next day.
Today, me and Bay is going out. You're probably wondering, am I supposed to be quarantined? Don't watch that. Don't watch people business like that. Look, roosters. Babe, would they attack me if I go close? No. Are you saying no because you want to see? You want to see something happen? You wicked, you know? Should I show you or you don't want me to show you? Okay. Yeah, so today we are going out on the road for a bit. I'm not staying out too long. Oh my god, why is everybody watching me over there? Yeah. The weather today is kind of gloomy. Yeah. It's not too bad, I must say. Babe, you not go bed. Babe, you not go bed.
I'm getting ready.
Getting ready what? I could help you wash. Eh? Babe, I could help you wash. Wash yourself. I could help. You don't want my help? Oh. You know I'm always here. It's not like I'm going nowhere. Huh? You look sexy though. I always wanted to go to a strip club out here, you guys. But I realized that I have my own personal stripper.
Every girl loves the car.
Go away. You're harassing me on camera. That doesn't need iron out, babe. You look like you're having a seizure. Lord God, this hill, man. No, sir. Good day. Good day. Eh? No, my foot's swollen. Hello.